So now let's see how we can work around with warp effect inside of GIMP. So to work around with warp effect, first of all, I'm going to go around under filters right here, and then I'm going to go around over here under map right here. And here you can see that warp is an option just like this. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see that this is what I have. I can go around and change around the step size right here, change around the dither size right here, just like this, change around the gradient style as you can see right here. So this is what you have as you can see, and you can warp around the edges, smear it black, or use foreground color. So I don't see a preview of it unfortunately, but if I were to go around and press OK, then what happens is that you can see that it simply warps it around right here, and you get this particular effect right here, just like this, as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here and then go around onto a map and go for warp right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here, and on the edges let's just go around, keep it black, and then change around the size right here, just like this, and change around the rotation angle around over here as well, change around the substeps, the gradients, and so forth. And if I were to go around and press apply, then what happens is that it simply goes around and applies that particular effect right here, as you can see, and on the edges it is black, it is getting black right here. So now you can see that this is the warp effect that you can apply to give it a glass-like look, as you can see right here, and on the edges you can see that there's black right here. So it simply goes around and mixes out the pixels together right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with the warp effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.